What's up, YouTube? If you're in the market for a 12-volt ratchet and you have a chance to go to Home Depot, this is a pretty good deal here. Let me go ahead and open this up, take a look at it. So here you got all these sockets here. Seems pretty decent. It's got a good weight, feels pretty quality. Now, the only weird thing with this is if you want to charge it, it doesn't have a removable battery. It has a plug that plugs into the back here to charge it. Now, I probably wouldn't have bought this if it wasn't for only being 50 bucks, as I've already got this Milwaukee one, which has a removable battery, but we can compare them side to side real quick. The Husky is a little bit bigger around. They're close to the same length. And as far as power or anything like that, I haven't put head to head together yet, but this seems pretty decent. I mean, if you're work out of your garage, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how strong it is, how durable it is. I know there are some complaints about these not being the most durable. I don't use this really for automotive work. I use this for other things that don't really require a whole lot of power, just snugging bolts up and loosening them down. So I have never had a problem with that yet, and that is still pretty new. But like I said, if you're in the market and you can find this for $49, I would say it's probably a good bet to try it out. Just a quick heads up, not too long a video today, but anyways, thought I would share with you on that. Y'all have a good day. Thanks. Bye.